Cream. I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple ice cream recipe, and I'll be using Milo as my flavor, but you can actually tailor this recipe by using your choice of flavor. So I'm going to start by adding 2 cups of very cold heavy cream in a bowl, and I'm going to whip that until it's stiff. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes at most, but make sure you don't over whip the cream so that it will not separate. The consistency should be hairy and smooth, just like this. Now add a can of sweetened condensed milk, half of a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 of a cup of Milo powder, and a pinch of salt. Now begin to fold the ingredients together until it's well combined. But you really need to be gentle while doing this because you don't want to deflate the mixture. Once everything is well combined, pour it inside a loaf pan or a freezable container. Smoothen up the top. Cover it with a plastic wrap and place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, and you can as well leave overnight. And here is the final result. It's creamy, smooth, and very sweet. And the best part is there's no stress involved.